70% decline in glacier reserves, a wake-up call for the Western Himalayas. Glacier reserves in Western Himalayas, including Jammu and Kashmir, have declined by nearly 70% in recent decades. Scientists say this rapid retreat is one of the clearest signs of how climate change is reshaping our region's environment and our future. A recent report by Climate Trends presented in Dehradun revealed a 70% decline in glacier reserves across the Western Himalayas. The affected area includes Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir. The finding adds to earlier studies confirming that glaciers are shrinking faster than ever before. In Jammu and Kashmir alone, the Kulhai Glacier, often called the Kashmir Glacier, has lost around 24% of its area and half of its volume since the 1960s. Overall, Jammu and Kashmir has lost nearly 30% of its glacier cover in the last 6 decades. From 2000 to 2012, more than 1,200 glaciers across Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh lost around 35 cm of thickness every year, equivalent to about 70 gigatons of ice. If this trend continues, scientists warn that by the end of this century, the Western Himalayas could lose up to 75% of their glacier mass. Why are the glaciers melting so fast? Experts point to several combined factors. Number 1. Rising temperatures. Heat waves and warmer winters are causing earlier and faster melting. Number 2. Less snowfall. Reduced winter snowfall means glaciers don't replenish enough ice each year. Number 3. Irregular rainfall. Changing rain and snow patterns alter how glaciers gain and lose mass. Number 4. Local factors. Dust, pollution, and debris on glaciers absorb more sunlight and speed up melting. What this means for Jammu and Kashmir. The Himalayan glaciers are the lifeline of rivers that feed northern India and Pakistan. Their decline could bring serious local consequences. Water shortage. Less glacial melt means less water in rivers during the summer months. This affects irrigation, drinking water, and hydropower. Agriculture stress. Farmers who depend on snowmelt for crops like rice and wheat may face unpredictable water supplies. Biodiversity threats. Melting alters alpine ecosystems and affects species that rely on cold habitats. Flood and disaster risk. Glacier lake outburst floods (GLOFs) are becoming more frequent. Several lakes across Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Himachal Pradesh have already been flagged as high-risk zones. In conclusion, there is a warning and an opportunity. The melting glaciers are both a warning and an opportunity. A warning of what unchecked climate change can bring, but also a chance to unite science, governance, and community action to safeguard our future. If steps are taken now, the Himalayas, our water towers, can still be preserved for generations to come.